Lists are a mutable data type, and this means that their elements can be changed. Let's look at our list of sushi ingredients again. Imagine we wanted to change the ingredient tuna to something else in order to update our sushi recipe. In the last video, we learned that we can access the element tuna using its list index. Then, we can use the assignment operator to update the value at that index to the string salmon. We can see after we run that line of code in the console, tuna has been changed to salmon in our list of ingredients. If you want to add to a list or delete some of its elements, we can do that too. In Python, lists are stored as objects with built-in functions or methods that we can use on each list. To use a lists method, we can just add the name of the method to the variable name that is storing our list with a dot. You'll get a chance to practice each of these methods in the next exercise and get down that syntax, but let's list them out to get an overview of what we have to work with. First, we have methods that add to our lists in different ways. We could extend our list with another sequence of elements. Append adds an element to the end of a list. Prepend adds to the beginning of a list. We could extend our list with another sequence of elements, or we could insert a new element in a specific place. We could also use methods to find and remove elements from our lists. In this example, Python is finding the first element that matches the integer 5 in the list and removing it with the remove method. The pop method pops an element out of a specific index, and the clear method will empty your entire list so that you can start fresh. The last way that we can remove items from a list is with the keyword del, or delete. Delete works in the same way that you learn to access lists with indices and slices, but adding that keyword will get rid of whatever Python finds in that position. I can delete the element at index 0 in a list of even numbers by adding the delete keyword before I access that element. Use the next activity to practice putting together all of these list skills, and feel free to refer back to all of the lists of methods if you need to reference them.